When our customers are happy, we're happy. And when they write to tell us why they're so excited, we get excited to share it. They were so impressed about the great customer service they received, they went online and left this review.
Thanks to Eric Smith and Frank Shimp from Quality Yard and Home Maintenance for fixing our French drain. Great work at a reasonable price.
5-star reviews are great, but our goal is to keep earning those reviews. Let us prove to you why we deserve your 5-star review. Call us today at the number on your screen. We want to thank you for dropping in on us today. Our door is always open if you have any questions or let us know how we can serve you.